This is a 3-bed 3-bath townhouse located in Novare at 527 Carnarvon Street. Starting at the entrance, the living room, dining room and kitchen area are directly to the right. Throughout this suite, there is laminate flooring and light neutral tone walls. The living room and dining room features a large glass window with blinds on the back left wall. Across from the dining room is the first bedroom. The first bedroom features a sliding door closet on the immediate left. On the back right wall, there is a large and small glass window, both with blinds. The living and dining room flow into the kitchen in an open concept design. The U-shaped kitchen with a peninsula includes a stainless steel fridge, sink, over-the-range microwave, dishwasher, granite countertop, as well as an oven and stove top. There is ample storage space in the white upper and dark lower cabinets. Across from the kitchen is the first bathroom. The bathroom includes a vanity and toilet. The vanity features 2 drawers below a granite countertop with a sink, mirror and lighting. Outside of the bathroom, on the left, there is a staircase that leads upstairs. At the top of the staircase, there is a hallway that leads leftwards and rightwards. On the right is a closet housing a white, energy-efficient, stacked laundry machine and dryer. Leftwards of the staircase, there is a hallway that splits leftwards and rightwards. On the right is the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom features a large glass window with blinds on the back left wall and a sliding door closet on the immediate right. Right of the doorway, there is a second sliding door closet with an ensuite bathroom next to it. The bathroom includes a vanity, toilet, and walk-in tiled shower. The vanity features 2 drawers below a granite countertop with a sink, mirror and lighting. Left of the primary bedroom is the third bedroom. The third bedroom features 2 large windows with blinds on the back and right walls. On the immediate left, there is a sliding door closet. Left of the third bedroom is the third bathroom. The bathroom includes a vanity, toilet, tiled shower, and bathtub. The vanity features 2 drawers below a granite countertop with a sink, mirror and lighting.